Uncertainty bands provide an easy and consistent method to apply levels of uncertainty to your schedule. Uncertainty bands use preset coefficients to generate uncertainties for low, most likely, and high duration and/or costs. Here are 3 groups of tasks. Each of them has different uncertainty band. To assign uncertainty bands to tasks, simply select one or more activities. Right-click in the task ID. Each band has a unique name and color to identify them. Then click the uncertainty band you want to assign to the activities. To modify the uncertainty band, click here. To add additional bands, simply type the name and add the coefficients, then select a distribution type and color. Once assigned, the tasks are color-coded to indicate the level of uncertainty. Selecting a summary task will assign the band to its subtasks.